How to add a page in Figma. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a page in Figma to keep your designs clean and structured. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one where you want to add a new page. Pages help separate your work, perfect for different screens or design versions. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the page name like page 1. This opens the page panel. Click the plus icon next to your current pages. This creates a new blank page on your file. Double-click the new page name and rename it, for example, home screen or prototype 2. Naming your pages make navigation easier. And that's it. This is how you add new pages on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.